Let's be honest, you don't need another generic productivity hack. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m., and you definitely don't need a 12-step morning routine just to end up exhausted by noon. You just need a system that actually works for your brain. Today, we're fixing your calendar in under 2 minutes. The 3-task rule. Step 1. Kill the infinite to-do list. When everything is important, nothing is. Every morning, choose exactly 3 non-negotiable tasks for the day. That's it. If you finish them, congrats, you won the day. Anything else is just a bonus. Step 2. Time boxing. Time boxing greater than to-do lists. Stop writing lists and start time boxing. Don't just write down what you need to do. Decide exactly when you're going to do it. Put it in your calendar like a meeting with your boss. If it's not in a time box, it's a wish, not a plan. Step 3. The defensive phone strategy. Protect your focus defensively. Your phone is a time vampire. When you're in a time box, put your phone in another room or turn on Do Not Disturb. Out of sight, out of mind. You'll double your speed just by removing the urge to mindlessly scroll. Last but not the least, time management isn't about doing more things. It's about doing the right things without losing your mind. Hit that subscribe button for more quick tactics and drop a comment below. What's your biggest time waster? See you in the next one.